I had some problems with my teeth. I didn't realize how much until my children and my husband said, "You don't smile as much like you used to," and it was difficult. It was really difficult. It was embarrassing to me, and now I'm like free. I can chew and eat and smile, and it's wonderful. I cannot tell people enough about the work that Dr. Castro did, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. He is outstanding. He really is. I would see people that I hadn't seen in a while, and all of them, without fail, they would say, "Have you lost weight? You've done something, you got a haircut?" That's such a blessing to me. Oh, it means so much. And the biggest compliment is for my children. "Mom, you are smiling like you used to smile. Now you're you again." That really means a lot to me. Really does. Yeah, that's the truth. Yeah, it is.